You kidding me right now? First lesson ever at the new house. Oh, baby, let's go. That was cool. That was like old times.
Care about your stories, I don't care about your glory days. You're just really boring, I don't wanna hear it, so just go away. What you got, well, I don't know, but don't try to pull me down your rabbit hole. I never asked for your point of view.
People equate Justin and me as just from Scramble, but you know, we met as lessons. You know, first ever lesson I ever took was with Justin. The only guy I've ever taken a lesson with is Justin, and yeah, so it's fun. I always have a good time during these lessons. He can bust my balls and all that stuff, but I know he wants me to get better, and yeah, it was cool to get back to that. What also is really cool is looking at all of this. I mean, I met him at a golf range, at the club. Gave me a couple tips, ended up taking a lesson with him, and could have never predicted all this. So, kudos to him. Good night.